You searched how to buy shares of NFT Ltd, and this video will show the basic steps. NFT Ltd develops digital collectibles platforms and related blockchain services and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker MI. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MI to find the company listing on NASDAQ. Confirm you have the correct result before opening the asset page. On the asset page, review the brief company information, and the price chart to verify it is NFT Ltd. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker MI for the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Select the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the video description below.